Alright, good morning people, how are you? Today we are going to go out and clean 300-400 feet of ditch and try to fix a couple culvert pipes. And we got about 60 tons of stone to move and a good bit of gravel driveway to
you have yours.
Bluetooth ready.
grade out. Alright, stay tuned. Quick little shop project this morning. Can anybody guess what it is? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Alright, so the project we got going on today is we gotta fix this driveway. And there's also another section of the driveway over there. But this hill's all rutted up. And I'm just doing the typical winter effects where it freezes and thaws and gets soft, and these are cabins, so they see a lot of traffic, and some of this lane has to do with big dumpster or trash trucks coming through. Got to clean out, there is a culvert pipe there we got to clean out and build back up. We're going to put some concrete around it because it seems like everybody likes to hug right at the ditch. And then all down through there from here to the road, basically just rake the leaves out of the ditch, clean that up, and spread some stone. We got our first load of stone up at the beginning of the driveway, and yeah, well, we're gonna work on smoothing some of this out, and then clean the ditch and start putting some stone down. So here's our little thing we made this morning. And basically what we're going to do is use it for a tripod. Alright, so basically all we're doing is just trying to get the leaves out of the ditch so we can just stay up on them, stay up on the ditch so it stays clean. I came down through here and reshaped all this over the summer last year. So basically we're gonna finish getting it cleaned out up to the road, and then we're gonna come in and start putting gravel down. Plan is just to get a thin coat of gravel so it's not pure mud, and then this spring we are going to put asphalt millings down the whole lane and everything that you'll see. But yeah, turning out pretty good. Alright guys, that'll be a wrap for today's video. We got all this ditch down through here cleaned out, clear to the road, and we got gravel up to here, and then tomorrow we'll be heading on up the hill and back, and then we have another driveway over there that we got to do. Basically just came in, cleaned the leaves out all the way down through there, the ditch, and right in here we just trying to build up. And it's kind of a straight shot when you head back this way. All the cars and trash trucks drive through here, so I extended the culvert pipe up to right here. Just threw some quickcrete in there just to try to harden it up a little bit, I guess. I'll throw some water on that before. And we got the ditch cleaned out, clear down through here. So tomorrow we gotta fix the driveway through here and on down to that cabin. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.